जेली जी अंदर बैठिए. And no transfer. My lips look so healthy with this on कि मुझे एक और चाहिए था. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I am back with another new makeup and skincare haul. So I found some new launches and you know Nidhi just cannot resist. But try them out so that you guys do not waste your hard-earned coin. I'm here. So I'll be testing some new makeup launches. So let's sit down together and let's get rolling. Acha, so I'm sitting barefaced. I have nothing on my skin as of now. Morning में जो skincare किया था, that's it. उसके बाद I have like 2 skincare products. One is which I've been using since years and years and years now, and you can see I have a nice big mango जो आ चुका है. तो salicylic acid is one thing that you can use to get rid of your acne, and also it would help to reduce the oiliness of your skin and also would help with blackheads and oily acne prone skin basically. So मेरा खत्म हो चुका था, like I've gone through multiples, and when I say multiples, I mean it. I had to restock my absolute favorite from the Minimalist. It is the 2% salicylic acid serum. It is fragrance free, mineral oil free, alcohol free, and free from all of the nasties and bad stuff. Just pure goodness is what you get in these, like literally. So salicylic acid is basically a BHA, so obviously it would also exfoliate your skin while going in deeper layers of your skin. So again, it is a good exfoliant as well for your skin. So I'll be using just a few drops of it just on my palm like that, and then I would apply it all over my face, and that's it. So I love to use salicylic acid in my morning routine as well as nighttime routine. Like morning routine mein if I have vitamin C and Minimalist ka niacinamide in stock, obviously I'll prefer them, and salicylic and alpha butane mein nighttime routine mein alternate karti hu likewise. So that is the serum. It gets easily absorbed, इसे बिल्कुल समय नहीं लगता, and is just so perfect for the most sensitive skin types out there. I love it. Like आपको पता है, आप मेरे पिछले वीडियोस, like पहले के वीडियोस जाके देख लो. PCOD की वजह से acne इतना ज़्यादा था, and the scars and the spots and everything कैसे मैंने फेड किया. Minimalist is a major part of my skincare routine, not sponsored at all. I wish they would, but not sponsored. Any which ways, that was the serum Nidhi loves. And Minimalist का ये जो serum है, इसका price है 549 rupees. Obviously I got it off a discounted price of Amazon because Nidhi never pays the MRP. तो Amazon पे obviously कोई ना कोई sale चलती ही रहती है, and अभी तो भाई there are sales dropping in on every e-commerce website. So Amazon पे तो हर बार रहता ही है कुछ ना कुछ. Right now as well, it is available on a discounted price for 521 rupees, plus उसके ऊपर additional 26 rupees का आपको 5% off का discount मिलेगा. I have the product here, and you can find the purchase links directly in the description box below. आप वहाँ से click करके directly ये product को check out कर सकते हो. I swear by this. So that was the first thing that I got, and इन्हीं का मैंने एक और I don't know if it's a new launch या मैंने अभी तक ये try नहीं किया था सीरम. Almost मैंने सारे ही serums Minimalist के try कर चुकी हूँ. So I purchased this one जो मैंने अभी तक मेरे routine में try नहीं किया था. It is the multi peptides 10% face serum. So again, I am super excited to use this because they say that it repairs and smooth wrinkles, meant for all skin types. It gives you firm skin, smoothen the fine lines on your skin, and improves elasticity. The collagen network, it would repair and boost elasticity is what they claim. I am again very excited to actually try this one. मैंने ये try नहीं किया है अभी तक. If you have, let me know. I'm sure ये भी काम करेगा. This too can be used by all all skin types, and it is gonna target saggy skin, fine lines, dullness, photo aging and aging signs. And this particular one I'll be using during my PM routine, that is the nighttime routine, because रात के समय में your skin repairs and heals the most, so it's the best to be used overnight. So the price of this one is 664 rupees. You can find it of a discounted price again of Amazon. I would have all of the purchase links mentioned in the description. On those two purchases, I received the Minimalist Light Fluid SPF 50 face sunscreen absolutely free in a trial size variant. So ये मुझे free मिला. Okay, now let's move on to the makeup part जो मैंने लिया. सबसे पहले जिसके लिए I was the most excited in today's haul is definitely this viral product from Lamio. It's their bouncy jelly lip and cheek stain. एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल हुआ है. लाइक बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैव देयर ओन वर्जन ऑफ द बाउंसी लिप and cheek stain, while La Mer one had the greatest rating, so I thought of trying this one out. So basically in this one you get 4 shade variants to choose from. Price इसका 1125 rupees है, while I got it off a whopping 36% discount. 725 rupees का मुझे पड़ा ये Amazon से. मैंने इसमें का कलर लिया है Coral Kiss, which is like a nice orange kind of shade. So that is the shade. इसमें आपको pink मिलेगा and थोड़ा berry tone भी मिलेगा, warm red सा टोन भी है. You can choose whichever you like. 725 rupees में. So let's try the formula out. They say it is natural, hydrating and buildable. That is the cute packaging. I really like it. जब आप इसे खोलोगे, it is also secured with a lid inside, and that is the product. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Wow. Oh, मैंने इसे हल्के से टच किया है तो स्टेन कर गया. This looks just so pretty. ऐसा लगता है ऐवी खा जाओ, just like jelly. So इन्होंने ये भी मेंशन किया है इसमें कि it is a product जो बहुत जल्दी सेटल हो जाता है to the final finish. So just apply one cheek at a time. So let's do it how they say. बस मैं हल्के हल्के से डैप कर रही हूँ. Is there anything that did show? Oh yeah. एक्चुअली लगाते से ऐसा लग रहा है बस ये सेट हो गया. आपको जहाँ रिक्वायर्ड है लगा के यू नीड टू वर्क very quick it seems. Oh, that is quite subtle and fresh. Honestly, it's just that थोड़ा quick hand रखने की सख्त जरूरत है. I really don't know if the camera is catching it correctly, but yes, the pigmentation is there and I don't really think मुझे इससे ज़्यादा लगाना सही होगा, because I would look like a clown. अगर आप ज़्यादा प्रेशर लगाओगे ना तो इसके छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. So mind well. You can see if I apply too much of pressure, it is kind of breaking down. So आपने gently करना है, and then very quickly you also have to like क्या भाई साहब ये तो इसी में से गिर गया. जेली जी अंदर बैठिए. मैंने ज्यादा बाहर नहीं निकाला था यार. Still it just popped off. Anyways, that is the blush pretty much done. Oh my god, on the lips it just looks another level pretty. I loved it more on the lips. Honestly, it is a tint. Definitely it leaves a stain behind and ये बहुत जल्दी settle होता है. So you need to like work quickly, वरना आप देख सकते हो it is staining and settling into the फाइनल मैट फिनिश. ये ट्रांसफर नहीं करेगा एंड देन आप ब्लेंड भी नहीं कर पाओगे. प्रॉब्लम वो है, ट्रांसफर नहीं करेगा. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग, बट अगर आपने फटाफट ब्लेंड नहीं किया तो इट इज गोना स्टे पैची. सो माइंड वेल एंड हैव अ क्विक हैंड विद दिस प्रोडक्ट. एल्सवाइज मुझे बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. इट इज सो प्रिटी, लाइट वेट. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया, एंड ऑल्सो देन it would not transfer. So a great one. I really liked it. 725 rupees. ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट बाहर नहीं निकालना वरना गिर जाना है. Okay, so that was the first product. अच्छा, उसके बाद I got lip products now. सबसे पहले is this one from LA Girl. It is the LA Girl Lip Haze Lip Color. तो इसमें से एक और शेड था जो मैंने मेरे YouTube Shorts में try किया था. You can check it out. I would leave the link right up there. It's a beautiful brown nude color. I love it. And इनका shade range was so good, but barely any reviews online. So I was kind of confused कौन सा shade लूँ, but formula was so good. It's long lasting, comfortable, blurring on the lips. It just looks so good. Like my lips look so healthy with this on कि मुझे एक और चाहिए था. So I kinda judged थोड़े यहाँ वहाँ से देखकर and I picked the shade up which is All About It. इससे पहले वाला जो शेड है that was Love Me, जिसका मैं YouTube शॉर्ट्स छोड़ दूंगी, तो ये मैंने उठा लिया. Again, this too is a beautiful brown nude color. It's a matte lip color again. बहुत smooth and blurring इसका formula है. It has a nice whip texture. Consistency is very nice, airy and lightweight. Very very breathable, settles to a matte finish and एक बार set हो जाने के बाद transfer नहीं करेगा. Also survives meals, अच्छा खासा lasting power and the best part is that ये आपके lips पे एक blurring effect देता है, just like any other Korean lip products. I really like it. So that is the shade All About It. So let's try it on. It is transfer proof, a lightweight, blurring and no transfer. Loved it. Like it looks so beautiful and with any kind of tint underneath it, एक बहुत अच्छा beautiful base देता है. Just looks very pretty. 10 on 10, 10 on 10. I loved it. You can definitely pick it up. ये भी एक discounted price पे मुझे मिला of 36%, like crazy. 1095 is the price of this one, while right now 36% पे ये available है for 699 rupees. Like इनके सारे shades 699 rupees में मिल रहा है आपको Amazon पे. So this is the best time to actually check these shades out. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में और पिन कमेंट्स में मिल जाएंगे, सो वहां से ले लो बिफोर इट गोज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. सो दैट वाज दैट. उसके बाद कोरियन लिप टिंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ओरिजिनल एक ऑथेंटिक कोरियन लिप प्रोडक्ट होना तो बनता है. एंड आई फाउंड दिस न्यू लॉन्च फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ रोमैन एंड हाउ कुड आई नॉट पिक दिस. लाइक इनके जो लिप टिंट्स है, they are crazy good and they are living up to the hype. Honestly, they are actually worth every penny. I know they're expensive and इसलिए I wanted to give you all a review so that before spending and actually investing that much of coin into a product, you should know if it's actually worth it or not. Like even if it's worth it, but उनका shade range brown skin friendly ना हो तो क्या मतलब है ना. तो इसलिए I picked this one up. I'm very excited. So let's try it out. It's the Blur Fudge tint from Roman. It comes in a beautiful white carton packaging and I picked up two shades, Rosential and Radwood. And coming to the packaging, oh my god, the packaging is super sleek. Suede finish इसका outer packaging है and inside it is also color coded with the branding and the name of the tints right here. Oh my god, this packaging is just calling my name. I love the feel and overall texture. It's so smooth and so loved it. Acha, so that is me getting excited over a lip product like always. Let's swatch them because why not? When you open it up, अंदर आपको ऐसे slanted tip applicator मिलेगा. So if you like the Etude House fixing tints, ये कुछ वैसा ही है. And this shade specifically is very similar to the color which I love, a fixing tint ka, which is rose blending. I really love it and Rosential is very very close to it and formula bhi वैसा सा ही है, almost like dupes you can say. Like oh my god, you can see the blurring smooth finish on my hands itself. Like I love it. It's so smooth, so blurring. And इसके बाद the second color, ये again it's such a pretty red toned brown. Again, this is a color that would suit all Indian skin tones 100%. I personally love both of the shades. They are so pretty and the formula is whipped smooth and again it is something जो blur करता है आपके lips के ऊपर and when you apply it, it is smooth, creamy, lightweight है on the lips, does not feel sticky, tacky, heavy कुछ नहीं. And it is also something जो कुछ minutes के बाद settle होके matte हो जाएगा and then it would not transfer. Similar to the fixing tints, उन्हें भी समय लगता है to become transfer proof and it is a tint that is going to last. So I loved it. इसका टिंट वाला पार्ट ना ये हम निकाल के देखेंगे स्वॉच के रहता है या नहीं, so we'll understand that better. But I tried it on that day and I had my lunch वगैरह. हल्का सा फेड जरूर हुआ post lunch, but you know it was not transferring on the cutlery. That was the thing. Let's try it out. Oh my god, this is super blurring, guys. Wow, it's giving, like literally it's giving. This is it. I loved it. Like it is so smooth on my lips, like makhan, and literally extremely comfortable. I loved it. Let's see whether it transfers. Oh baby, it does not transfer. Ekdam say clearly you can see मेरे lips का glossiness you can see, but there is no color that is transferring. ये तो अभी अभी मैंने अप्लाई किया है. While if you give it some time to sit, ये completely transfer proof हो जाते हैं, and then it just stays super comfortable and extremely smooth on the lips. Oh my god, I just love. ले लो ले लो ले लो. Oh my god.
I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel.
Let's remove these and see इसने पीछे टेन छोड़ा है कि नहीं. So yeah, हल्का सा stain you can see जो हाथ पे इसने छोड़ा है. Not much, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है even the Etude House fixing tint कुछ ऐसा ही करते हैं. It says it's a tint but it is something which is long lasting. कुछ ज़्यादा proper tint जैसा ये stain नहीं leave करते. And similarly मुझे case इसका भी वैसा ही लग रहा है. But I prefer these so much more over the other formula that Romand has. वो बहुत ज़्यादा मूजी है and just हर जगह transfer करता है. While this is something जो उन्होंने transfer proof बनाया, keeping the creaminess. So I personally loved these. So ये priced है 1060, but right now they're available at a 30% discount Amazon के ऊपर, and new launch पे 30% आपको मिल रहा है. So फटाफट से ले लेना because the great summer sale is on. ये available है right now at 742 rupees. Plus additional आपको 5% का coupon भी मिलेगा. So you will be saving even more. So that is the product of Amazon, and extra coupon भी आपको मिल रहा है जो आप apply करके और ज़्यादा save कर सकते हो. I really loved it, so you can definitely give it a try. मेरे तरफ से it's a win-win-win. So yes, those were all of the new products from the makeup and skincare categories that I had to try in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, then hit the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to the Trend Diaries for more such videos, and हम मिलेंगे in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.
And you got